We're out here at Mayflower Beach with the MJX 7307. Figured get it on some flat sand and really get this thing sideways. Got a 4S Ovonic battery in it. And this is perfect. Definitely catching some attention. Just flat out power drifts. Oh, sorry. We'll keep it over here. They're playing bocce. Tell the back end's getting a little bit lower. It's definitely building up with some sand. The sand is kind of wet, kind of heavy. Get a little track going here. Wide drift. Come into a little tighter drift. Well, that might be the end of running with this thing. Blew the rear diff. See if we can find parts for it. So guys, it's been about a month since my beach trip and running this thing on the beach. Finally had a chance to take it apart and see what went wrong actually. And at first I thought it was the rear differential while I was at the beach, but it may or may not be worse than I thought. You can see in here that center differential completely rusted out. That bearing in the front completely seized up. I think the motor might be okay. It also might be completely destroyed, but you can see, look at all the sand in here. This is all sand. That's not good. Salt and sand in there. So I'm probably gonna get a new center differential, Probably have another motor lying around. We might turn this thing 6S, but I'll show you some of the other parts of the casualties here. Took off the entire back end. Probably gonna get some new rear drive shafts. These ones are pretty rusted out. Probably replace the bearings in here too. Get some aluminum hubs front and rear. Really kind of bulletproof this thing going down the road, especially if I'm gonna put some 6S power through it. I was able to check out the differential. The differential actually looks fine. All of the teeth on it, as you can see, they all look pretty good. No oil leakage out of it. It's still full of oil in there, so I'm pretty sure the rear diff is fine. The input gear though that goes to that rear diff, those teeth look kind of chewed up, so I'm going to get a new input gear for that. Also, this housing that goes around the diff, you can see that completely melted. Oh, I forgot to show you. That one actually goes to this bearing right here on this side. So that bearing blew out, completely seized up. Probably going to need to get parts for the bearings, or parts for the differential, the rear diff. So maybe I will get a full new differential. The actual diff housing though is fine. It's really just that casing that blew up. A little rusted out, but should be fine. So probably looking at about $100 to get this thing fixed up and ready to run again. So gonna order those parts off of AliExpress, I believe. I'll leave a link down below of all the parts that I'm going to be buying for this thing, and going down the road. Might go 6S on this and really beef it up. So the pros and cons of running your RC car in sandy, salty areas. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, because I gotta pay the bills, especially the repair bill on this car. More videos coming though. Haven't done one on that. Maybe we'll do another video on the Nomad. I got some other cars planned as well. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Wish me luck.